Dear students, work energy, work power and energy. It is also one of the important chapters in for KCET. Here I have taken one question from KCET 2026. Two bodies with kinetic energies in the ratio 3:1 are moving with equal linear momentum. The ratio of their masses is, what is given here? There are two bodies with kinetic energies in the ratio 3:1. Their kinetic energies in the ratio, kinetic energies are in the ratio 3:1. So they are moving with equal linear momentum. Then what is the ratio of their masses? We have to find the ratio of masses. That is the question. Okay. Here two bodies, they have equal linear momentum, and kinetic energies are in the ratio 3:1. So kinetic energy, if you write the K1 and K2, so the ratio of kinetic energy is 1:3. And it is also given that they have equal linear momentum. So equal linear momentum means we can write P1 is equal to P2. Now the question is, what is the ratio of their masses? We have to find the ratio of the masses, M1 by M2, or M1 is to M2. We have to find out. Okay. Yes. Now we know that the formula for the kinetic energy is, the popular formula is 1/2 mv square, or we can also write it as p square by 2m. This is another form of this equation. Here p is linear momentum and m is mass. So in this problem, both the bodies have equal linear momentum, means momentum is same. That means momentum is constant here. When momentum becomes constant, K becomes inversely proportional to m, that is mass. So we can write K is inversely proportional to mass. K is inversely proportional to mass. Therefore we can write, okay, now we want m1 by m2. Therefore we can write m1 by m2 is equal to K2 by K1. Is that clear? And but here ratio of kinetic energy is given. Ratio of K2 by K1 means it is ratio of kinetic energy. Ratio of kinetic energy is 3:1. So we can write 1/3. Therefore ratio of masses M1 by M2 is 1/3, or you can write M1 is to M2 is equal to 1:3. So the answer is 1:3. That means option 2 is correct.